Good morning, students. It's a video of computer subject for class 7th, and today's topic of chapter number 2 is copyright. Copyright is an exclusive right given to a creator of the content to reproduce his and her work for a given period of time. Copyright means any person he designed the content, he designed the information, he has the right to reproduce or any changing his work. This implies that person who have been granted copyright over a work has fully authority to reproduce, sell and publish the works. Means anybody he prepare the content, he has the right to reproduce his content, and he is also right to sell and publish the work. This protects the ownership of the author and grants total authority over the content. It means if anybody prepare the content, he have all right over his content. In short, you should never copy a you should never copy a copyrighted content. Means you should never copy any content which is have copyright content. Okay, copyright law of some country even allow to author of the file a case against the copyright violator. Means in some countries copyright is a very big crime, and author of that file do the case against anybody he used the his content. Next one is software piracy. Unauthorized downloading and copying of any legitimate software is called software privacy. Means if somebody download and copy any software without permission, this is called software piracy. It takes a lot of time and effort to prepare software which is made mostly for commercial gains. When we design any software and we design any programs, it takes a lot of time, and it is very costly, and most software engineers prepare software for commercial gain, not for free. But imagine if somebody upload it content it on the internet, where the thousand can download it for free. If somebody download his software, he upload his software in internet, and thousand people have to use that software, and that condition, that person, that software engineer get lot of loss. This causes a lot of losses revenue to the developers, to the software. Okay, therefore always buy the software if you want to use it. So if anybody use any software, firstly you check all the term and condition, and after that you buy that product means software. Okay students, next one is privacy. What the privacy means security level of a personal information being stored, used or accessed by other. Privacy means security level of personal information that used by another person. These days if you gain access to someone computer on the smartphone, you can know everything about them. In current time, if anybody access any laptop, mobile, then that person is capable to see all the information. Okay, it is not good thing. This is totally wrong and unacceptable unless you are a authorized person. ये totally क्या है, wrong है and Doesn't matter anybody who give the authority to use the computer, but it is wrong. In short, you should not peep into someone's smartphone and computers. Means you should not see any personal information of any person. Doesn't matter, you use his and her computer and laptop and even mobile. The term computer privacy is also used to describe the level of information shared while visiting the web page. In the computer privacy is also in the computer privacy it is also include when you use when you visit any website and you see the content of that website. You should check the privacy setting of any website that you using regularly to see what all information the website is storing in the form of cache data. In simple term, we can say that privacy means you should not check the personal information of any person. Okay, if you use any computer and mobile, etc. Okay, students. And next topic is cyber crime. Any illegal activity done through the internet is called the cybercrime. Means if anybody use the internet in illegal form, that is called cybercrime. Suppose with the help of internet you stolen the any information of any user, it is a cybercrime. On that condition you are punishable by IPC. Okay, students. For example, harassing somebody online, credit, debit card fraud, copying someone's research work, etc. मीन्स अब किसी को आप ऑनलाइन परेशान कर रहे हैं या किसी उसकी डेबिट क्रेडिट कार्ड की उसकी मतलब सॉरी विद द हेल्प ऑफ डेबिट एंड क्रेडिट कार्ड आप कोई फ्रॉड कर रहे हैं या किसी की जो रिसर्च वर्क है उसको आपने क्या कर लिया, कॉपी कर लिया है. ओके, all these acts are punishable by law all these acts are punishable by the law under the Indian Penal Code. अगर ये एक्टिविटी आप करते हैं देन यू आर पनिशेबल बाय द लॉ. किसके लॉ के थ्रू आप पनिशेबल होंगे? IPC, जिसकी फुल फॉर्म होती है इंडियन पैनल कोड. ओके, लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट सम ऑफ द कॉमन फॉर्म ऑफ द साइबर क्राइम्स. अब इसके सब कुछ जो कॉमन साइबर क्राइम्स कौन कौन से होते हैं उसको हम कल देखेंगे. ओके स्टूडेंट, दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे एंड थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स.